Got some nasty cracks in there, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill those with super glue and leave them overnight to cure, and hopefully they'll be good to come back. I've got my shape that I want, so I'm happy with that. I just need to cure these. Right, so we have our shape. All the cracks are filled and dried and then sanded back down, so there's no splits in it. There's quite a few cracks in there, but like I say, it's all going to be coloured anyway, so hopefully you shouldn't see it too much. So that's my shape. These are the pictures I've printed off the internet to give me the rough idea of the Holy Grail, no, the Cup of Christ from Indiana Jones, which is what I want to base it on. So what I want to do is I want to colour this with the HAMPSHIRE SHEEN colours. Give me a deep multicoloured in the reds and a bit of honey. I don't know about the inside, because on some of the pictures it's just gold, and other ones we've got a bit of red with a bit of gold leaf in it. So I'm unsure which one I'm going to do yet. I think I might just colour it all and then just gold leaf it. It might be a little bit easier to do that. So anyway, that's the plan. Let's crack on with it. Don't you just love trying to get rubber gloves on when your hands are sweaty? It's 32 degrees in the workshop and I'm sweating like a trooper and I'm trying to get rubber gloves on. It's not going to happen. That is the best it's going to get. Right, so got that all sanded back now. So I'm going to put my colours on. I'm going to go through a couple of reds and a bit of honey, because I want a little bit of a mixed match colour to make it look a bit like the pictures I've got. So it's going to be trial and error. So let's crack on with it. So I think the first colour I'm going to go for is ruby, because it's the darkest. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to do a bit inside the cup and some bits around it. I don't want too much ruby because I don't want it too dark. So yeah, that'll be my first colour. Let's see how it comes. So I'm going to let that dry and then we'll come back to it. Right, so I've never done gold leafing before, so I haven't got a clue how this is going to come out. I've watched a few people. I've got a piece of sea sponge because I don't want a constant covering, I just want spotty bits all over it. So yeah, let's get on with it. Sinking ship maybe, but time will tell. So anyway, I'm going to put the size on first in a scattered pattern, because like I said, I don't want it totally covered. I want to try and cover some of these cracks up, because I know they wouldn't cover with the colour because obviously they're glue. So I'm hoping to cover a few of these bad cracks up, and then I've decided to do the inside with gold leaf as well, so that's the plan. So let's get on with it. Right, so let's leave that to dry, and we'll come back and put the gold leaf on. Right, so this has had about 20 minutes, half hour to dry now, and it's touch dry, or tacky. So let's go with the gold. Like I say, never done this before, so all new. Let's go for it. Right, so that's the gold leafing, maybe a little bit more than what I wanted, but it's on there. So I'll leave that to dry, and we'll come back to it.